हे व्हाट्सअप गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर स्पीड टेस्ट कंपैरिजन वीडियो। सो गाइज, आज के इस वीडियो में हम सैमसंग गैलेक्सी M11 का स्पीड टेस्ट कंपैरिजन करने वाले हैं। दोनों फ़ोन सेम है, बट दोनों फ़ोन में रैम और स्टोरेज का डिफरेंसेस है। एक फ़ोन में हमारे पास है 3 GB रैम और 32 GB स्टोरेज, दूसरे फ़ोन में 4 GB रैम और 64 GB स्टोरेज है। गाइज, इस वीडियो का बनाने का केवल इतना ही मकसद है कि आप क्लियर कट अंदाज़ा लगा सके कि आपको रैम और स्टोरेज के लिए एक्स्ट्रा पैसे खर्च करना चाहिए या नहीं। सो गाइज, वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है। जो भी रैम और स्टोरेज से रिगार्डिंग आपके मन में डाउट्स होंगे वो सारे क्लियर हो जाएंगे। सो वीडियो एंड तक जरूर देखिए।
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your fucking clout. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase that? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Everybody wants to be king, yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean, got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down, I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns, who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down, I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns, who are all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग और अमेजिंग वीडियो देखने के लिए। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।